called Aunt Shirley, in honor of Michaela, what would justice look like for the Hoyman family?
You know what? I feel for what I have seen, um, I don't think this guy is remorseful.
Okay.
So as far as I'm concerned, his children will be growing up without a dad.
Mm.
And this is not coming from a point of hatred, but this is coming from a point of where you face reality. If you did not take full responsibility of your children from the day that they were born, if you never shown true love to the ladies that you were involved with,
Yeah.
these are the kind of people that we need to remove from society, completely. I saw videos the other day where women, old women, they are in jail more than 50 years in America for crimes like murder, robbery. Their youth were taken away. So you have taken the life of a human being. What will make you not to hate the next one? What will make a young lady so beautiful say on social media, I was involved with this guy for 3 weeks and I saw the red lights.